The routine maintenance required warning in your Mitsubishi Outlander is part of an intelligent system called the Maintenance Minder System. This system continuously monitors your vehicle to determine when maintenance is actually needed. The Maintenance Minder system is much more sophisticated than a simple mileage counter. It monitors three critical factors to determine when your vehicle needs service. Here's the most critical point. You must always perform the actual maintenance before resetting the warning. This means completing your oil change, filter replacement, and any other scheduled services first. Resetting the warning without performing maintenance can have serious consequences. It can lead to engine damage from overdue oil changes and may void your vehicle's warranty coverage. There are three main methods to reset the Maintenance Minder system, depending on your Outlander's generation and features. These include steering wheel controls, traditional button methods, and infotainment system options. Understanding your Maintenance Minder system is essential for proper vehicle care. Remember, always complete the actual maintenance first, then reset the system using the appropriate method for your specific Outlander model. For newer Mitsubishi Outlanders from 2022 to 2025, the primary reset method uses steering wheel controls. This is the most common and reliable approach for modern models. Here are the step-by-step instructions. First, turn the ignition to the on position with the engine off. Then use the steering wheel buttons to navigate to settings or maintenance in your display. Now let's look at the traditional button method for older Outlander models. This method has been used consistently across multiple model years and remains reliable. For the traditional method, start by turning the ignition completely off. Press and hold the trip odometer reset button, then turn the ignition to on while continuing to hold the button. Keep holding until the warning disappears, which typically takes 10 to 15 seconds. Some trim levels also offer a third option through the infotainment touchscreen system. This method provides a user-friendly interface for those who prefer menu-based navigation. To use the touchscreen method, access the main menu, navigate to Vehicle Settings, then select Maintenance. Choose Reset Oil Life or a similar option, and confirm the reset when prompted. Now, for the important considerations. Always complete the actual maintenance service before resetting any warnings. Document your service date and mileage for warranty purposes, and keep detailed records. If the warning reappears immediately after reset, or if you encounter multiple warning lights, or if the display shows error codes, consult your Mitsubishi dealer immediately. These could indicate system issues that require professional diagnosis. Remember, proper maintenance reset procedures help preserve your warranty coverage and ensure your Outlander continues to operate safely and efficiently. Always prioritize actual maintenance completion over warning elimination.